ye wakasa bi a eya ne yeka ye se asetena pa wo hoi e ma refie se nipa nya asetena pa na sebe ne ire e ye fi ne ho eni senti no NDC one of their financiers Abdul Aziz wabedi nkomo chirem se na ono ani party NDC pa na dem ye ni te se o se ofre NDC mpanifo a obi anfa ne call ministers obi anfa ne call na de ha no kura ye dumelo mpeke ne call dumelo mfa ne call ababusia honorable Abdul Aziz one of the financiers omom this support NDC party no on campaign time or can who be no baba wa kana kosem it was social media mountains ama some of the NDC Footsoldiers ni bi so no share omu concern on the internet media mo ha no mo as my host Penyah DSC and you can was semester say need you kwan so obe mi subscribe button so that ma obe turn notification icon on for latest update na be kire wa adwen e wo comment section ho no mo e de ama me oba so a no share video no ama onu aso anya bi ahwe no kan for NGX limited and de ama upo bi amana solar panel anase install power plant e de ama wa for NGX dum so nu se air cost you no ensa omo nko omo ye adwuma ne kama e de ama omo se tunso e botam kre bedwabo ni mu akotunso e de ama yes I smipu e de kan kama efin bia eni omo adwuma ho na ade bia fa plumbing hu bia de for NGX limited omo number no eni gwa se gan ha bia be free bia no obeba abi adwuma e de ama omo nu bo so de e wo form pa obeka se Penyah e kan ye. Let's go to the story. I was in the media and I saw Miss Kuru about 2-3 weeks ago. Na Miss Kuru, I don't go peer video be so. And as I end this for no Footsoldiers nibi. I almost say, now ye campaign time. Yanem one and I shibomu. Yanem one and I shibom. Ye text message ya who yana mokrana mofreye. But all of a sudden, mobile bemono. Yan call baby how. Ye forever mon fire call.
All of a sudden, ufre we ya osiko we ho. O chat we ya osik free we. O WhatsApp we ya osik free we. Mo pass it is a football. Ya winning power. Mo pass it is a football. And it was the same contacts that we had on our phone during the campaign time. Obi o utimi chatting no no so ni mu on kai o. Hey, NDC. I'm so disappointed. I am so disappointed. I am so disappointed. Diamuya na enyo. Diamuya no enyo. Enti imagine say me ejuma na me employee obi employing for 5 and reduce unemployment. Me say me shop a me ma rent during MPP time a me complain say sikeni ho ne mama eden no. The shop a ma rent for 5 years and that's so hot on now. I've not opened the shop. Obi a me page so bia or cut through my phone na obehu me shop no. A whole NDC member, lady like me. No support. No help. Why are you people doing this? I didn't see that more, sir. Why have you forgotten us so soon? Why have you forgotten us so soon? Why? NDC, why? I didn't see that more, sir.
I'm saying papa fo bi so no abodwa de ani ade ni ani bere kasa ene yaw kasa se he je se mo be dada ye mo be kasa ye ntoma mo na mo be se de amaye mo be hye ye bo je se mo be fa ye nkwasiafo obi so de ani bere kasa na ka bi no se o e bia ye se etipenfo na ebo etie bia na no omu fili se bia omu ate afri Footsoldiers ni ntamti no e bia omu ne omu sorofo no na ebo ba busi ha enye sa na tie da bi enye sa enkomo na enye sa na tie because apabenefo na ngase di wo mu aya enra anadek 360 Ghana oko Abdul Aziz ahoye one of the NDC financiers unu financier ye ka financier omu a ye ko campaigns a anase se party eye bibia omu do mu sika e support party no this do are the financiers ye ka se omu ye stakeholders anase shareholders of the party. They are the stakeholders. Omo ɛna bɔ party n'akyi dɔm ɔmo ne fa pema party no gyina soɔ togye party no ne ehia sika deɛ bibia a ɔmo ɛna show up it bɛka sɛ in other sense no ɔmo say matrons ɔmo ɛma party no advice ɛsa de ɔmo sika no mu nim deɛ no bibia support party no one of them Abdul Aziz na ɛno a anadek 3 say Ghana ɛno kɔ retwe nkɔmɔ na nkɔmɔdeɛ no ne ebusa no bibi ɛfa now na NDC aba mu no ɛne sɛ ɔhwɛ na MPP ɛkyɛ konya so na ne sika sɛm na adwuma sɛm no different sɛ na because on run business or as a businessman on a CEO of Aziz 111 it is that question so now adwuma sɛm te sɛ ɔhwɛ now no ɛne MPP tam na ɛwɔ mu aba na aba power deɛ but ɔhwɛ mu a sika sɛm no ne bibia sɛ dollar aba fam ɛnneɛma mu ɛte sɛ ɛhɔ no ɛna ɔyɛ atum sɛ daabi ɛwɔ mu sɛ ma aba na aba deɛ but sɛm de mehwɛ mu a MPP wɔ soɔ ne deɛ na enema mu ye mame do won ka se na bibia mu ye ba do kire se na enema mu the sika ba ne nsem na enema mu ye ma no e wo MPP time as compared to today
what to say o party crowd or opposition crowd to me just catch a party or power yeah it happens so I was good better when NDC was in when the MPP was in power was in government.
You're doing good when MPP was in power.
Yes. Say,
you are an NDC and you're saying this?
Yes, I'm telling you the truth. No, I'm not saying that MPP performed though.
Okay. But you were doing good when MPP was in power.
Was in power.
Oh, okay.
And it's okay, yate. It's okay. Yeah, trunk come what you so. And ye busa was now only NDC for montem at to say ayonko fan at to say cause all financiers, one of the financiers. Ayonko fan that only NDC terminal omuba ben mu no amanfo ka se yeyi omani e de ama wo mu na wo so e wo nse bi kan na say na no ma yonko fa ne te de ho no ana o ya tum se hwe any fu o ba yi omu ministers ya fo madwuma ni firo mu nyina obi amfa
me na me ti Okada riders for Mahama 2024 election year no me NDC ni ana me hu say what is my contribution to make sure that Mahama comes back to power? And I mean, say Okada riders say what Ghana no more dosu. Pa year calculation they are about 1.something million all over the 60 regions. And the Omo association no, me invite you Omuni Pragia, Okada riders and Pragia riders. Me organize a mumbra. Tell a mumma in more than say Mahama baba this election in Mahama. I'm ready to sponsor you guys. To deben no mo needy. No so mo needy office, me mama office. Omo needy van, omo call rounds. Omo needy PA system e do besusu. Omo san needy another small cars be say me no. Omo de be call they mobilizing grounds. Ford van omo de be call region to region. To me mama Ford van for region to region. Then mama mobile small cars for intercity way rounds. And almost can say so
all from your pocket.
Yes, from my pocket. That's 2024. And almost say mintuto motors na almost convince other riders in this area for them to join the Mahama 2024. Okada riders for Mahama. So we told motors they starting work and pay. I bought a lot.
Like number to be saying.
Oh, my friend said more than 50.
50, okay.
Yeah, boxer. When we say blue color. Boxer, yeah, blue. To me tall. I even have all the videos. To me tall. Until almost my executives, you know. No, executives, you catch their members and they say, when Mama comes to power, they will get what? Work and pay more to cheap. From Masklog or from whatever. Government will support them. So they will pay small. So I bought the motorbikes, I gave it to them. And almost say open database so that they can enter their membership into the database. So now one who number of Okada riders in Ghana, Greater Accra, Ashanti region, whatever region. So me the app company by me or app company Z-Tech. Now me mamu build a database Okada riders association for Ghana to call website na ubo Okada Riders Association Ghana obehu omo information omo history so na mo start bi obehu bi aho enti obehu omo membership as we speak, who bosses over home. So we have a database which is very expensive. So let me talk machines need printers. A printing ID card mom. So ID card almost saying na me na me mom. Almost to mabi. I say Okada riders. Me na me call organize
for over 1 million.
And Mr. Year was a furniture. Also, was a Okada riders
24 hour
25 hour economy.
When I hear Nina, 1 million.
I brought all those concepts. Okada riders 24 hour economy to grab people.
Oh.
Yeah, so I did all. Until they went round to Van Ford Ramimano, Vince's until me they call all the riches to convince people to join the association to vote for Mahama. Because I believe in Mahama. I know Mahama will come and do something. But the reset agenda, and as we speak, he's doing it. But the ministers in the
ministers in the
almost start to pick a course.
Oh.
When you stop picking course, you go to position. Yes, because it means that you are what I know chairman microphone. You go to position. So
President Mahame's ministers are not answering. Some of them
I would say majority of them, they're not answering calls.
But when they were in opposition, they were answering calls. Oh.
Well,
you have names. Can you mention names?
Oh, I can't mention this, but okay. Majority of the ministers and the other appointees. One say, these guys still are on my neck. But Mahama Bomode say, my fast, passive or parliament for Okada legalization. But Kasa Oba has sent it to the on here. It has to speak still. Okada operations in Ghana is illegal.
Okay.
Well, until the police bet match you. So the police arresting them, the police are doing their work. Police chief Okada near, the police is doing his work because it's not in their books.
Okay.
But a promise was given that Okada has created employment, as we speak, about more than 1 million. And all these riders, they have family. Through this Okada business, they pay their school fees. They take care of their family. Some the nuclear family, some to the extended family. Through these riders. So when we say, about power 2024 way, as about power 2025 way, Omajai moto nitua, omuntu abiem. Omuso
no mutua motos.
Say me talk moto mo amono. Omo dey work and pay.
Okay.
To show to their members say nyame boa na yeba power. All the members will get motorbikes for work and pay. Okay. But most of the motor you see them riding is for guaranteed the ejuma. When they close, they go and pay. Okay. And then companies no more work and pay, so no boy anything. But I know at times some 100%. Otono
20,000 and 40,000.
But maybe I buy a more through Masslock or whatever. And I Exim Bank and I deba. How much my best say? How much maybe some percent, maybe 20% back to so, and 30% back to so. To turn best say, let's say 15,000. Now I say
maybe about 18,000
or 17,000. What the channel? Now the payment na more.
But don't you think say legalizing motorbikes or system will be creating a lot of accidents and unwanted maybe what system?
I say only say about critics you shouldn't promise that when you come you legalize it for them.
Oh, okay.
What from omufa omufa na ne nkomo mu odere nkasa na ekwawie ye no e no beti si John Dumelo so e ho no e no wotirim se saa nkokon ketenkete kura na NDC yahu dede ni ade kura no omu aban mu no he sponsored the nkokon ketenkete policy e mo no akasa ko schools ni ade mu just that policy no or sponsor that policy ni bi e mo sa ko schools mu ni ade mia bebebe na no e ko kyerɛkyerɛ nkokon ketenkete policy no o ko kyerɛkyerɛ mu kyerɛ mansan ti ase. But now no opese one deputy agric minister honorable John Dumelo opese one retwe nkomo ekwabuya so enko ketenkete no eko sei enima mu te sei opese ofra John Dumelo kwabuya so enko ketenkete no akosi say when you down the lane enima mu kra te sei a oso ofra John Dumelo a call it me ring ya the person you call cannot answer. Please try again later. John Dole and picking a call. Or no so home is square on some free back.
And go on kitty on. It became my baby in 2024. Yeah, ba power no. Omo de me to nchen. Me friend John Domelo, Deputy Minister of Agriculture. Onu mi dem here, because say go on kitty on. It became my baby in 2024. But me a Pan-African. To be a beye locally based, locally produced, I be creating employment. Maybe the who shall power. To me, who say President Mahama Nkokon Kiti no. MPP for these three, President Mahama's only policy, NDC for only policy no. We be threatening say no, policy way is one of the best policies of John Dramani Mahama. So let me rather educate Ghanaians. Why President Mahama Kase Nkokon Kiti? Also, Upate say, na ya mama Nkokon Kiti. Na President Mahama say, na ya mama Nkokon Kiti. Na mo anyom. What then channel? It's na ebe popular Nkokon Kiti. But President Mahama patch say, opese yan kasa ye nkoko nama ye yu Ghana no ye produce within. Na ye cut importation of frozen chicken. Enti me be cheche musa me 14 pe cameras e mom car ye call university by university ye call UPSC ye call doctor stations ye call taxi stations ye call markets ye call agbobloshi ye call church and crofo the policy of Nkokon Kiti. We say as me say oh e be create ejuma e be cutting importation we will save dollars. You import about $420 million every year, frozen foods, frozen chicken. Imagine say, ya kati, na say, kukoye you know, ninanu, ahane, free. So in Juma be creative. So dollar you be saving. Means that every year we'll save $420 million. Ebe creative Juma. Me catch your university students and say, maybe we school, ukotana office, you have a 1,500, 2,000. But who don't share in Nkokon Kiti way more? At least who go best 1,000 best, 500 best. Now every 2 months and 3 months, who to me bia, maybe we profit better say 15 or 16,000. But who do officer? Yeah, 12,500, 2,000. A month 6,000. 3 months 6,000. But which we are getting with Nkokon Kiti, we can get about let's say 15 or 16,000 profit. Because I buy create already market for you. Because you know big cool stores maybe top. No, on my cost. We actually cool store no more ton. To be able to meet the demand of Ghanaians omo pen kokonam, omo pen kosiawe. What the channel? Eti me ko church musa but I am said yeah ba power no. Omo de me to nchen. Me friend John Domelo, Deputy Minister of Agriculture. Onu mi dem here, because say, mami ye ambassador for Nkokon Kiti. Me mpehwe o, me pese program we enginasi na Ghanaians and benefiting from it because you antumi produce phones na moketa no a Nkokon so a ye be wisu entimi produce. Once I let you know. Obi an fimi. And on my call then protocol. And Nkokon no the other mom no my way. But obi other man the bush and the man that downfall. But don't tell me the bush and na downfall. The constituency will be one the other man on my way Nkokon no. They say a bind kind of the share mu as is a call waste no. One are creating a problem. And is the minister. So then why no? We creating financial loss what? To the what? To the state. You don't rush. Excite patient and do it well. Anti media mechanical church on say Nkokon Kiti no. And you're late. We can still do it better. I'm telling you, Nkokon Kiti policy way, it can create, let me tell you something, about 2,000 or 3,000 jobs. I'm telling you. because Ghanaians a day kusia eri kusia ni meku kusia achi kusia ni indomie obi bedi emu akokonam obi bedi nkwan akokonam obi bedi wache akokonam Ghanaians e bana akokode so that's we can cut importation because akokonam were already market.
So Nkukon has caused loss to the state.
No, is the financial is the agri minister. Now say policy na ant-man jina na de odu Nkukon no ma wi Nkukon na.
So Nkukon is no more.
Oma wi dey more they are buying this cashier with first one oma wi ni nyina. That's what the minister said. Oma wi ni nyina.
Oh.
Because Timmy who the amount panel. One say government should support it for 1 year. 1 year no agile. So government should make sure that Obe provide feed. Ne panu ton na abani yi feed this kakakaka. What does you know? Or ton na abani yi feed kakakaka until ne panu benya capital. Because already market war, Nkukon ni no na big companies no matter. Ye the discussion is same. Na abana yi feed this kind of support in kakafim. Now, Bana is feed kakra from the left hand say within 1 or 1.5 years, you know, nipa na Ghanaian youth no man involved into Nkukon Kitikiti na the poultry farming, right? Omonya capital. Now they can buy the feed. As they can buy the feed, you know, now still the companies are buying. They are buying who their money back home. We start with 500,000 beds. 1,500 beds, 2,000 beds. What I do? You are creating employment. Once you ban is away employ in Crawford, beds kakaka they can then you are reducing the unemployment rate. And truly to me, I don't depend on any political party.
For what actually?
Oh.
NDC for what actually?
I said no recognition. But me, I'm not bothered. No recognition. I did it for the love I have for Mahama. And my party NDC.
And they've come to power. Are they looking back to you?
Party bet my power first term. Maybe you not have the opportunity. Maybe second term you can have the opportunity. What I tell you, media. I don't rely on politicians. I don't rely on my party coming to power. I rely on my capability and the glory and the blessings of God and the favor of God doing my business.
Okay.
What I tell you. Eko ban say aban say bra this project koye and this supply koye and koye we never boa aban na untumi what can he do? I have the capacity to do it. But be in frame here. What I know. What to say o party crowd or opposition crowd to me just catching a party or power. Yeah, it happens so. I was good better when NDC was in when the MPP was in power, was in government.
Not just now, no Footsoldiers na musi na munya botre kra more than myself no got na because now financiers financiers cry for God now Footsoldiers. Kontra say. Era de Penyah you know. Just now no financier crowd dey to dey na ye friend akogiska crowd ofre wo mu fa. Now Footsoldiers open wi adi. Mo got na say. I was away. Abaye asem sebe. Wait to try wa dwe dey ama me. E comment section. How you Penyah Block Media. Like that.